Hi guys, I am Dan from K-Tech Racing, and behind me we have a really nice black Clio 200. This is a customer's car that is ready to collect now. He's ready to go racing as well. So this is a 750 Motorclub build that we've done for the customer, so next season he can actually race in the 750 club that we sponsor. So I'm just going to sort of take you around the car and show you the products that we've fitted that are mandatory for the 750 club, and also what extra little bits that we've added on top of that as well. So Ryan's been building this car and it looks absolutely great. The engine bay looks so clean, it's like it's brand new almost. So we always clean things down when we're building it, ready for the customer. This has had the engine out of it for some work, so obviously it's been a lot easier to clean as well with that. On the right hand side you'll see that we've got some pull cords. So one of these is for the fire extinguisher system, which is located just under here. So there's 3 nozzles. So in the event of a fire, obviously whilst the customer's on track, he can just literally, all the marshals can pull that really nice and easily and put the fire out. The other one is the battery cut off as well. So if the battery needs cutting off immediately, that one of those is for that as well. So engine bay looks really nice. It's pretty much standard for the 750. There's no engine work that goes into it, and it runs on the stock manifold as well. So I'm just going to show you around the rest of the car, show you what else we've done to it for the 750 Club next year. So the interior's been completely changed as well from obviously the OEM interior. So as you can see, the big thing that's sort of sticking in your face is this lovely yellow roll cage. So this cage is ready for the 750. It adheres to all the specification for the 750. So yeah, this will obviously protect the customer in the event, hopefully it doesn't happen, touch wood that it doesn't happen, that he is to roll the vehicle or have a serious crash in there. But this is obviously needed when going racing. We also have an RS Performance Alcantara steering wheel, which feels absolutely gorgeous and is really good grip for racing as well. The other interior items, obviously you've got the fire extinguisher kit in here, you can see all that. It's got an extra nozzle in here as well, just in case of a fire. It's got a battery cut off and a few other different things changed on the dashboard. But the other things enhanced in here are these seats. They just hug you. Obviously just sitting in this now for racing is they're just perfect for it, and they're again a recommendation while needed in the 750 Club specs. So the whole interior has been stripped out. It looks absolutely great. I imagine the customer's very excited about picking this up and going racing next year in it. And the lads have done a great job obviously fitting this out. So another part of the interior that we've changed is the footplate. Obviously that's got our like KTR branded etching into it, so it looks absolutely great. It's really durable, it's been sprayed in black. That obviously it's got a really nice heel plate as well for your left foot, which is obviously, if you're doing a lot of track work, that will help out massively. It's got sort of like a sort of gravelly sort of effect on the top, so again for grip, you know, it's ideal when you're on track and you're racing quite competitively. So that is actually a product that we sell not just for the 750, but that is on our website as well. So obviously there'll be a link to all the products in the description, but you can just buy that for a road car if you just wanted to go crazy and strip out the interior and have that for you as well. So one of the other enhancements we've done to the vehicle is the catback exhaust system. So that's one of our K-Tech exhaust systems on there and is needed for the 750 to qualify to get into it. So that sounds absolutely great, which you will hear now. Which is obviously ideal for track use and will actually help the vehicle sort of perform better on track. So most of these products are needed for the 750 Club to actually qualify to get into racing the 750. There are a couple of optional extras that this customer has opted for. So one of those, which you can't see unfortunately, is the stiffening kit. It's a pure motorsport stiffening kit in the rear. So that's like an optional extra that isn't needed for the 750, but the customer wants that and will obviously help their performance. So in the description we will put a link to all the 750 products, and then we'll put a link to the optional extras that this vehicle has, so you can see those. But this has been a great build, and Ryan's done a fantastic job of putting this together for the customer. He's ready to collect it fairly soon, and he's going to be over the moon with it, I know he is. Ryan's done a great job with, you know, the workmanship that's gone into this is absolutely fantastic, and obviously that's why we are Renault specialists. This is what we work on day in, day out. So if you want your Clio turning into a race car, obviously get in contact with us. We can fit the items, we can obviously supply them. If you want to get into the 750 Motorclub, it's one of the most affordable race series you can get involved with, and 2023 is going to be massive. We're hoping to have a car racing in it as well that you can do an arrive and drive on, but that's all yet to be confirmed. So if you want any of this work doing, guys, and you've got a car that you want any of these products on, or even if you just want these products supplying to you anywhere in the world, we can do that. So get in contact with us. Remember to obviously like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll hope to see you soon for some more build videos.